each fist up off me a cup, you know. If a girl a chat, you know, she will get a box, you know. Left or right, and the two on the clap, you know. When me talk about clap, me not talk the church thing. If a girl a this a body bag, then first thing. Next thing you know, I would church in the church in. Not like a care, just call me the worst thing. But fully bad from Sunday to Sunday, they sharp girl, me no left the magnum, yeah. If you're this me, you're this my friend too. I know me wanna come at the two, we are on you. Fully bad from Sunday to Sunday, they sharp girl, me no left the magnum, yeah. If you're this me, you're this my friend too. I know me wanna come, yo. If you want to crush you, want me them send from a mash up, you to run from a placenta. Me no normal, and a doctor fi know. Me rolling scarier than a lumpy show. My vicious, me evil, me bitter than thirsty. Don't ask me please, come in and show no mercy. Now back down, cause no girl can't curse me. All the devils here to all my blood thirsty. Crush a little life, you a biscuit, surely. Do it anytime, but me choose to do it early. Walk for your ends and gear, what for gear. Never touch your body, but nobody never see you. Quick to take your points like a me did gear. No care could have power. A group of man, lyrics kick you, make you fly just like Superman. Call me the girl virgin of Ninja Man. Yo, we fully bad from Sunday to Sunday. Short girl, me the left.
Cho, come here. Come back, girl. Come right here, so. No, what make... Wait, sorry. What make you fully bad now? Why you bad?
Well, Xoshaniel, think fully bad, act fully bad, look fully bad, and that makes Xoshaniel fully bad.
All right. You see you're tiny. Scatter.
Right now, fully bad, the male artists are pre you. But you come out fully armored tonight, you're fully bad for real, in our real life. Bad from Sunday to Sunday. And you make a, she have a line in her song, say, crush you out like biscuit, Shirley. Lyrical female right there. Good job. Good job.
Miss Kitty.
Well, I'm not telling a lie. Maybe just say big up to Cora and Rapunzel's hair boutique because Xosha bad, my wig out left my head right now. So maybe just say big up to Rapunzel's hair boutique. Make sure you check them out. And Posh by Vivi that closer because me have to talk about this before the state of emergency reach up here. Because the bag of badness, you alone push my love. Hello, they're going to move from Mobay and come here on Constant Spring Road. But Xosha, I liked your act. I liked how you were active. I liked how you were convicted. And again, when you believe in yourself and you believe in your song and your lyrics, you definitely carried across well. You interacted with the audience. You used the stage well. I heard you loud and clear. And you were lyrics, potent, mad. Good job. Black and white. Maddie?
Sure.
Bad song.
Thanks, judges.